Question 10. So I know that the cost of 1.5 kilograms of peaches is 0.84. So I'm going to write that down just so I've got it. Of P equals 0.84. The total cost of 3 kilograms of peaches and 2 kilograms of apples is £2.34. Work out the cost of 1 kilogram of apples. So the first thing I can work out is I know what 1.5 kilograms of peaches are. I can work out what 3 kilograms of peaches are by multiplying that side by 2. So if I multiply this side by 2 to make it equivalent, I get £1.68. My next step is putting that into this second part of information here. So 3 kilograms of peaches, so £1.68 plus 2 kilograms of apples equals £2.34. To get the 2 kilograms of apples by itself, I'm going to take away the £1.68 from both sides, which gives me 2 kilograms of A equals, it's calculator paper, so you can use calculator. £66p. So 1 kilogram of apples, divide each side by 2, would give me 33p. And I've answered the question. So the answer is 33p. Okay. On to question 11. Here is a rule for working out the volume of a pyramid. Multiply the base area by the height and then divide it by 3. A pyramid has a base of 9 centimetres squared and a height of 4 centimetres. Use the rule to work out the volume. So I'm going to do my area multiplied by my height divided by 3. So let's put the numbers in. I know that my area is 9. I'm going to multiply that by my height, which is 4. Divide it by 3. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay, so my volume is 12 centimetres cubed. Going a bit further down. A different pyramid of the volume of 20 centimetres cubed and the base area of the pyramid is 10. So I know that my area multiplied by my height divided by 3 equals my volume. Let's put the numbers in that I know that the area is 10. I don't know my height, so I'm going to leave that as h. Divide it by 3 gives me my volume, which is 20. Let's work in the reverse. So I want to rearrange this to make h subject. So first I'm going to multiply by 3. So if I multiply both sides by 3, I get just 10h on this side, and I get 60 on this side. To get h by itself, I divide by 10. So h equals 6. So my height is 6 centimetres. Question 12. Okay. Brian wants to go on holiday and he's going to take a loan out for £500 to help pay for it. Brian will have to pay back £500 plus the 20% interest over 12 months. He will pay back the same amount each month. So how much money will he pay back? So first I'm going to work out how much he's going to have to pay back in total. So he's going to have to pay £500 plus the 20% interest. So if I work this out, if I spelt it right, there we go. So I've got 100% plus 20%, it gives me 120%. I know that 120% as a multiplier is 1.2. So the first calculation I'm going to put into my calculator is 500 times 1.2, which will tell me how much I need to pay back altogether. So 500 times 1.2 gives me 600. So I need to pay £600 back. I'm going to pay that back by over 12 months and pay the same amount back each month. So I'm going to do 600 divided by 12, which gives me 50, I think. Yeah, £50. So it's going to pay back £50 a month. So that's my answer. So I work out my multiplier, multiply my price by it, and then divide it by 12. Work out 5/9 of 72 kilograms. So different ways you can do this, but I'm going to represent mine by doing boxes. So I'm going to draw myself a bar, split it into 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know that all my bars add up to 72, but I only want 5 of them. So the first calculation I'm going to do to the side, I'm going to do 72 divided by 9, which will give me what goes in each box, which is 8. So 8 goes into each box, but I only want these first 5, so 8 times 5 equals 40. So my answer is 40 kilograms. And the last one, I've got to prove that this question equals 3/5. So the first thing I need to do before I can add fractions is I've got to make the denominators the same. So I know that 3 goes into 15, so I'm going to change that 1/3 to over 15. So 3 times 5 is 15, so I'm going to multiply my full fraction by 5. So I'm going to have 5 over 15 plus 4 over 15, which gives me 5 over 4 is 9 over 15. Now if I simplify 9 over 15, I can divide them both by 3, which gives me 3 over 5, which proves that I'd put as most working out you can do, because you get more marks for showing you working out. So there you go. 3/5. Thank you.